Victory without fighting. Char Siu Ribs surrender to flavor. Armory. Hoisin, soy, honey. Garlic defects, broth is doomed. Whisk glaze. Ginger resists, whisk wins. Toss ribs in glaze, cover, rest 20 minutes. Recruit, seal the lid, let the sauce besiege the meat. Load ribs on rack, shove into scorching oven. Oven heat is artillery. Watch the flesh surrender to flame. Brush glaze. Char lines form. Flavors beachhead established. Plate ribs, drizzle glaze, dust sesame seeds. The mortar of flavor. The layout reads like a conquered map. Execute this dish. Salute. Victory awaits.